Well, this showed up. I've been waiting for this box for a long time. I ordered this before I even left US. I ordered this 2 months ago. But this is for Cresta. JZX100 Cresta. I think this is the last piece I need. じゃあ開けてみて。じゃじゃん。It's Ito Auto Service front fender. It's 75 mil. Boom. To match the rear fender. This rear fender is same company, but I didn't have front fender yet, so I ordered it, but they didn't have it in stock and finally showed up. But once I put this, it's gonna look crazy. Rear end looks already like too wide. But today I'm gonna install it. Looks like I don't even have to trim or drill a hole. Even where the stock trim goes. They have all the holes already. Looks legit. I mean, it wasn't cheap. That stock fender is already pulled like good 20-30 mil. Gonna look just like that. And after that, paint match the front fender and trunk and little pieces. It'll be complete. I never took front fender off, so I don't really know what I need to take. There's a bolt right there. 10 mil. Nothing's mounted, but I have to dismount side skirt. Lucky Labo, are you guys ready to sponsor me to put it on my channel? Yeah, we'll just start taking it apart. Alright. Side skirts off. And it's off. She did it by herself. This thing is so wide. So wide. Alright, just so this wide fender comes with third piece. Following the front fender goes over to the bumper, front bumper like this. So I trim the inside. She trimmed the stock bumper like that. This piece goes over like that. And trimmed right here. How did it go? Like that. On this side, I haven't trimmed to this part, so I cut it like that to clear more. But damn, this thing looks aggressive. Can't wait to see it painted. Without that, it's dumb. Alright, fender's on. Now I can install the TV in the front too. Just because these are 10.5 or 10 plus 0, offset 0, and this wheel advent was 9.5 plus 12. With the stock fender, I couldn't fit those TE. That's why I just threw this on. Now I can put TEV, and today I'm gonna install this. The lower control arm on the rear was shot. The ball joint was shot. So I got this adjustable lower control arm, and on the knuckle side, the bushing was shot. I guess it's common on these JZX100. I can't install it, so I'm having local shop install it. Right now I'm gonna install the TV. nail is no joke. Where I cut it is perfectly clear. Wow, I can't wait to paint it all, paint match. This Ito Auto Service fender fits really good. It's the fitment on with the door to the hood. I didn't trim nothing. Even to the light here fits really good. This thing looks wild. 4-door, wide fender. Alright, I'm gonna go back and change out the lower control arm and done for the day. But I just wanted to come bring it out here, see how it actually looks. Alright, I'm gonna go take some pictures and back to the garage. I got a car on the jack stand. The bushing I showed you guys earlier, it's for this knuckle side. I don't know if I can show you, but yeah. Can you guys see it? So the bushing is in this side. That part is shot. This wheel's moving quite a bit. It's moving too. So this is the lower control arm for JZX100. It's just one rod. On S chassis they call this like a toe arm, but I think they call this lower control arm. And they have this arm and this arm. I don't know which one exactly they call it, but I think this is the toe arm. This is the traction rod. But anyway, I can't change this bushing, so I called the local shop and I'm having them change it this week. They have to press this out and put new one in. But I bought arms too, so before I drop the car off to the shop, I'm gonna change the lower control arm because that's the only thing I can do. Should be easy. This bolt, this sway bar nut, and take this bolt. After I install it and put it on the ground, and I'll take alignment. Finished installing the lower control arm. It wasn't too bad. Definitely this one was shot, the old one. Glad I changed it. That's it for the day. I'm gonna start cleaning it up. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think and subscribe.